The 10 months before the Bangladesh War and the war itself were for Tariq and his friends a life-changing and formative period of time.
मोहम्मद पैगंबर जो हैं उनकी बेटियां और बीवियां जो हैं जंग में लड़ी और हमारी बीवी बेटियां जो वो चपातियां बनाते हुए मर गईं और घर से निकले पुरानी दिल्ली में तो काला कोट. Who decided that black should be worn so that the heat would kill you? जबकि 1950s के दिल्ली का जो बुर्का था that was never put on the face, it was white. It used to be called the shuttlecock burqa. If you आप जब दिल्ली में आप किसी मुसलमान से पूछिए कि भाई तुम्हारी नानी या दादी की तस्वीर तो होगी तो दिखा दो ना कहाँ हिजाब पहना हुआ है. कोई एक तो दिखा दो 1930, 1940, 1950, 1960 बता कहीं तो बता दो किधर लिखा है ये क्या अरबों का लिबास आपने पहना है. कभी किसी अरब को देखा सलवार कमीज में?
We were not getting much information about what was happening.
We just got that.
I don't know how we got that.
No, it was
on the radio.
They announced that we have crushed the rebellion, that the Indian agents, Sheikh Mujib has been arrested.
That was 25th March.
25th, maybe.
25th. I remember 25th March.
Yeah.
Because Yahya Khan was going to give a speech on television.
Yeah.
So us East Pakistanis, we were very excited. You know, we went to dinner and after dinner there was one television which was in the common room or dining room. We were going to sit there and listen to Yahya Khan talk about transfer of power and everything.
And Sheikh Mujib was Prime Minister.
We were all feeling great, you know. And then when he said what he said, he talked about that, you know, and basically what he said, can't remember the words, exactly the opposite of what we were expecting.
I remember.
And then when we realized that power was not going to be transferred, and that some military action would take place there.
The same night?
Yes, we didn't know what to do. We really didn't know what to do. We were really, really scared.
And we knew क्या हो रहा था because हमारे सन अखबार का chief photographer, God bless his soul, Daud Subhani, was one of the POWs, and he would call from there. तो एक दिन मुझे याद है, my editor Shamim Ahmed, and he was talking on a loudspeaker phone at that time. उसने कहा क्या हो रहा है? बोला सर होना क्या? फौजें विड्रॉ कर रही हैं, हम कह रहे हैं एडवांस कर रहे हैं, वो डायरेक्शन बदल देते हैं बस हम. So films that would show people running away from East Pakistan, Pakistan would show people returning to East Pakistan. Wow. And retreating army would be shown as an advancing army. हिंदुस्तान के फौजी पाकिस्तान के जवानों को देख के एकदम खौफजदा हो गए. ये इस टाइप की आवाजें आती है. अब मैं आकर झूठ बोल रहे हैं, दादी कसम में झूठ बोल रहे हैं, because we knew what was happening.
Right.
फिर आप सोचिए पाकिस्तान आर्मी के फौजियों की हालत. वो टेलीप्रिंटर तो डायरेक्ट आ रहा है ना, उस पर तो किसी का कंट्रोल नहीं. वो जनरल ने कहा इंटर सर्विसेज पब्लिक रिलेशन, हाउ आर दीज टेलीप्रिंटर्स डूइंग लाइव्स, समथिंग लाइक. अब भाई एएफपी है, रॉयटर्स है, इसको हम कहाँ से रोकेंगे? बोले नहीं, यहाँ लैंड नहीं करना चाहिए. सो इट वाज वॉर फॉट फॉर द ईगोज ऑफ आर्मी जनरल्स एंड देयर प्रॉफिट्स. लेकिन बेतहाशा लोग मरे उसमें for absolutely no reason whatsoever other than a corrupt military and a very corrupt and arrogant Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. It was something that shook us. We went to the press club a few days later, 17th ko, when General Yahya announced that Pakistan, we will fight on till the Western Front, till blah, 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 blah. People in that room were saying, Jaan chutti yaar, bhuke Bengali sale. The only people with tears was a Pashtun Chowkidar and myself. Everyone thought we had gotten rid of crap, dark-skinned, short people. Today, when Bangladesh is ahead of both India and Pakistan in economic growth, इनको अब भी शर्म नहीं आती।
तो उसके बाद कुछ उस पर रोशनी डालेंगे
अरे
कि क्या
वो मुल्क ही दूसरा बन गया। देखिए 1971 पाकिस्तान सरेंडर कर दिया वहाँ। यहाँ जनरल याया खान आए कि वी विल फाइट टू द एंड और पता नहीं क्या क्या, और शराब में डूबा हुआ। दूसरी जगह यूनाइटेड नेशंस में, ये दिस इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, यूनाइटेड नेशन सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल में पोलैंड का एक रेजोल्यूशन हुआ पाकिस्तान के सरेंडर से कुछ घंटे पहले कि भाई मान लो cease fire, withdrawal of forces. Do you know who stopped that from happening? Zulfikar Ali Bhutto stood up and he tore up the resolution and walked out. It was a setup to make himself the prime minister of what was left of Pakistan.
Right.
Okay? So he walks out. The Polish resolution doesn't even go for vote. The Pakistan army surrenders. उनमें से on both sides there were Indian Pakistani officers who had fought together with the Indian army in Burma. तो उसी में mate, how you doing mate, ये करते का अपने जाली अंग्रेज बन के घर चले गए सब। उनके लिए पाकिस्तानी जनरल्स के लिए इंडियन आर्मी ने VTR मशीन में उन्होंने फिल्म देखी। ये वो लोग जो रेप कर करके 2 लाख इन बांग्लादेशी औरतों को प्रेग्नेंट कर चुके थे, इनको पाकीज़ा देखी। हाय मैं मर जाऊंगा। इंडियंस ने रेपिस्ट और मैस मर्डरर्स को बांग्लादेश की हुकूमत से बचा के अपने हिंदुस्तान में पाला 1 साल।
And there's something very interesting about India, Pakistan and Bangladesh, which I learned from your brother, that when all these Bengali Pakistanis were being transferred back to East Bangladesh, they were told that when your train goes through Bihar and northern West Bengal, put your shutters down because Muslims, Indian Muslims, were stoning Bangladeshis. Most of the Indian Muslim community was pro-Pakistan.
तो इस 71 में नया एक एंटिटी बनी पाकिस्तान, जिसमें जुल्फ़िकार अली भुट्टो न्यूयॉर्क से भागे, एंड गेस व्हाट पोजीशन ही टेक्स इन पाकिस्तान? चीफ मार्शल लॉ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर, एंड देन सब्सिक्वेंटली द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ द कंट्री, एंड unleashes a dictatorship that even the military generals not. But in the meantime, जैसे surrender हुआ, now there is no state. और government announce करती demonetization of all currencies.
Okay.
Over 5,000 rupees you couldn't cash. So जो हमारे कराची के इर्द गिर्द नाले हैं या लियारी रिवर के अंदर जो उसकी समझे छोटा सा दरिया है, it was choked with cash. I remember my newspaper office was on a street called McLeod Road, and there was a water canal going past it.
सब cash से भरे हुए।
The water was flowing over because hundreds of millions and लाखों और करोड़ों रुपए जाया हो गए उस दिन। इस situation में there was no state. Aslam Azhar was a great broadcaster from British television. He took over, he was appointed as the managing director of Pakistan Television. So what message I got was, quote unquote, if you want to apply for a job in television, now is the time because there's nobody to do security checks. So we went for the interview, and Mr. Azhar was there. He interviewed me, and you know what the test was?
What?
I had to appear on a quiz show and beat for 2 of the brightest brains in Pakistan. It was called Kasauti. And the way it worked was that I had to think of a person, and they had to tell me what I was thought in 20 questions.
Oh wow.
And they would
So
beat
it's
any.
like 20 सवाल एक
Something, yeah.
program आता था बहुत पहले।
बिल्कुल
Yeah,
उसी टाइप का।
I remember when I was little, I was watching that show on Pakistan television. It was called 20 सवाल.
And they would beat everyone. And so Aslam Azhar said, let's get over it, man. This interview process. Why don't you come this evening, beat, and you're appointed. Later on, I found out that was just a joke.
Okay.
His way of sort of torturing me
you.
for getting back
सारा
at me.
दिन आपके
मुझे पहले नारे लगा के भगा दिया था. तो वहाँ गए and I remember I thought, and you had to write down, रूसो का मैंने नाम डाला.
अच्छा.
रूसो का ये था कि I invoked that he was a Calvinist. So when they say Isai, I said no. When they said Musliman, मैंने कहा no. Hindu, no. अब ये दोनों बैठे हुए तो बोले ये कहाँ से ले आए, क्या वो दहरिए थे. मुझे पता था कि उर्दू थिंकिंग में ईसाई होता है, कैथोलिक, प्रोटेस्टेंट, कैल्विनिस्ट ये कुछ नहीं होता. तो इसमें तो ये गए काम. I won it.
Oh God.
It 25 years after that date, I once went to Pakistan, and everyone had retired. The then information minister asked for this gentleman who was hosting that show to interview me.
अच्छा.
25 years to the date, because I left television also, fired, and my worst days of my life. Jail was not as bad as being asked to leave a profession that I lived in. I used to live in Pakistan television studios. 100 रुपये महीना मिलता था सन, ये कराची सन में. यहाँ अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर पे लिखा था 500.
Oh wow, 5 times raise.
मेरे जो पसीने
तो I know.
मेरे ज़हन में पता है पहले क्या चीज़ आई? Now I can get married. Because 100 में तो I can't.
Right.
हाँ? अब I got serious with Nargis, but I had to leave the city.
तो जब आपको कराची छोड़ना पड़ा तो आपने नरगिस जी के साथ शादी पहले
नहीं, उसके बाद एक बड़ा रिमार्केबल इवेंट ये हुआ कि जो पंजाबी वहाँ बैठे हुए थे लाहौर में, मुझे अपॉइंट की इसलिए लाहौर में किया कि Lahore wouldn't have any records of me being in prison, because otherwise I couldn't get a job. And all I had to do is survive 3 months for the probation to end. In these 3 months, my colleagues in Lahore did everything they did to treat me like rotten. And the way they would inflict torture on me, they would ask me to report for duty at 7 and till 11, then go take a break for another 6 hours and then come back to work, and then till night in the 11. This is the inherent mean-spiritedness of the Indo-subcontinent's Babu, to inflict pain on someone who is your subordinate. That has destroyed our civilization to a great degree. Mentality है कि इसको दुख कैसे दे, और फिर वो मूंछ को यूं करना.
वो उसमें प्राइड लेता.
हाँ, राजपूताना देखा ना,
मैंने क्या कहा
था, एनु ते जुती ते थले रखना. Till they discovered that I was Punjabi, and they changed overnight. But during this 380 days I stayed away, every day she would write me a letter, and I would write a letter, and the entire TV station would say, आ गई भाई डाक. But
तब तक वो आपसे खुल गए थे, और
as soon as they realized that I am one of them, and that my aunt got elected as a senator from Gujarat city, these guys freaked out that I knew the Bhutto family, that the Bhuttos and my grandfather's family from Bombay, they were family friends. अब तो आप पता है पंजाबी कैसे कहता है, जी बोले ये की गाल है, आज तक कुछ चंगा नाश्ता करके आए थे. But the tragedy was that when I went back to Karachi, got myself transferred back, नौकरी पक्की हो गई. Problems came up, we couldn't get married, we were told no. She's Shia, I'm Sunni Muslim, she's Gujarati speaking, I'm Punjabi speaking. Nobody in their community ever gets married outside their community. And do you know who these people are? They are the Fatimites from the 10th century who got refuge in India. After they were expelled from Egypt, they came to Yemen, and then India में तो हर कोई ये आए, उन्होंने कहा तमें केम छे मजा में आ जाओ इधर से. तो शादी उन्होंने कहा नहीं, तो इन बीबी ने क्या किया, सारे ख़त जला दिए।
तो ये मान गई नरगिस कि अच्छा ठीक है, मेरे घर वालों ने कहा कि नहीं करना?
नहीं, कुछ सवाल ही नहीं पैदा हो रहा था।
अच्छा।
उसके घर वाले तो छोड़ो, मेरी माँ पंजाबन,
हाँ, हाँ।
वो यूं करके नहीं आती पंजाब में,
हाँ, बिल्कुल।
तेनू मैं वेख रहा किधर है, कहा जाना